Right, so here we got, guys, got a full new centre section, as you can see. Fits lovely now, and even managed to get the back box spot on, as you can see there, nice and square, lovely. Right then, guys, almost got this ready to run now. Basically loom's all in. Obviously the engine's never ran before, it's had new rings, bearings, blah blah blah. So what I like to do is doing a rock of gasket on it anyway. So what I like to do is just pour oil over the cams and let it run down. At least there's some residue up here, at the top, so there's nothing dry metal on metal. I've already primed the filter, primed the oil pump, so hopefully when we go to turn the key, the oil light's just going to go straight out. So almost there. Right guys, so as you can see from the previous clip, ran into more difficulties. Oil pump was an aftermarket one that the engine builder fitted, and it started weeing everywhere. So apart from that, as well as the ECU played havoc as well because there was dampness, so we had to replace that. It's an issue with the starter loom that didn't have the knock sensor in, so unfortunately the car was never road tested and had to get picked up via a trailer. Obviously only finances can stretch to a certain amount. Still stunning car though.